Hello everyone, welcome to Shane Teach. I'm Mensheng. Today I'm sharing 5 simple steps to make your computer run faster and smoother. If it's been feeling a little sluggish lately, this tip should really help. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Change the visual effect. Firstly, enter the Advanced System setting in the search bar. Then open it. After that, click the Settings button with the blue corner. Click Adjust for best performance, and then click Show Thumbnail instead of icon. Click Smooth Edge of Screen Font. Click Use Drop Shadow for icon labels on the desktop, then apply it. After adjusting this setting, animation will be disabled, which can reduce unnecessary visual effects and improve system responsiveness. Step 2. Disable apps from starting automatically. Right-click the taskbar and then click Task Manager. After that, click Startup Apps. Then disable all apps on that, except Download Manager if you have used. After disabling App Startup, this app won't automatically launch when you turn on your computer, which can reduce the workload on your PC and improve performance. Step 3. Change power mode. Enter Control Panel at Search Bar, then open it. Search Power option in Control Panel. Then click Choose a power plan. Click Show additional plans. Click High Performance or Ultimate Performance. For laptops, it's recommended to use this setting while plugged in. After adjusting the power plan, your PC can prioritize performance, helping applications run more smoothly. Step 4. Enable Storage Sense. Firstly, press Windows+I, open Settings, and then click Storage, open Storage Sense, then click the arrow. Click there, change to Everyday, delete file in Recycle Bin 1 day, and then click Run Storage Sense now. After setting Storage Sense to run every day, it can automatically clear files from the recycle bin, helping prevent your system drive from getting too full and reducing the risk of performance slowdowns caused by low storage space. Step 5. Turn on Game Mode. Firstly, open the search bar, search Turn on Game Mode, and then open it. Click On. If you play game on your PC, enabling Game Mode can prioritize system resources for your game, reduce unnecessary background activity, and help provide a smoother gaming experience. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Your support helps me continue creating more content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next time. Goodbye.